Good morning, real estate friends. Welcome back to Coffee with CMG, where we just try to help you build a business that lasts. I'm Corey Maurice Gilmore, and today we're diving into neighborhood farming. So farming is a powerful way for you to dominate your local market. It's also going to help you build that brand recognition and generate consistent leads. So today, let's break down how you can become the go-to agent in your area. Farming is all about establishing your presence in a specific area so that when homeowners think of real estate, they think of you. But you have to have a strategy. Today, I want to give you a 3-step game plan to make farming work for you. Number 1, choose and study your farm area. Before you start marketing, you need to choose the right neighborhood. The best farm areas meet these criteria. With turnover rate, you want to look for an area where at least 6% of the homes sell annually. The next thing to look at is home values in that area. I want you to pick a price range that aligns with your business goals. And the third thing, competition. You need to avoid areas already dominated by one agent, unless you're prepared for a long-term play. Once you've chosen your farm, now it's time to become the expert. So you have to know the market stats. You have to know the school districts. And you need to get acquainted with the local businesses so you can speak intelligently when talking to homeowners. All right, let's talk about the next thing. Create a multi-touch marketing plan. To be top of mind, you need consistent marketing efforts. That means using multiple channels to stay in front of homeowners. Here's what a great farm plan includes. A great farm plan, you need to be doing these couple of things. You got to be sending monthly direct mail that includes items of value. The next thing is get out and beat the streets and door knock. Introduce yourself and provide value. Maybe that's just giving them like a home evaluation tool so that they can know what their home is worth. And the last thing, social media digital ads. You want to run hyper local ads in that farming area and engage in neighborhood Facebook groups. The goal is going to be that homeowners, they should feel like they see you everywhere. All right, let's jump into this third and last thing. Engage and follow up with homeowners. Farming is a long-term play, but consistent follow-up is key to turning awareness into leads. Here's how to do it. I want you to track your responses. I want you to keep a list of people who engage with your mailers, your social posts, or your events. Then I want you to follow up on a quarterly basis. You need to be sending personalized emails, or just go ahead and pick up the phone and call those homeowners that you've been mailing just to check in. And remember, anything you send out, anytime you call, you need to be offering value. So provide a free home valuation. Talk about local vendors recommendations. Or if you know of some new listings about to hit the market in that area, why don't you let everybody in that area know about that listing? When the time comes to sell, if you do these things, you will be the first agent that they think of. Remember, farming is not an overnight success. It's about consistently providing value and positioning yourself as the expert. So just stick with it, and I promise you, you are going to dominate your market. Not a lot of agents are doing this. So your mission this week, I want you to pick a farm area, send one marketing piece, and follow up with 5 homeowners. Let me know in the comments how it goes, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this with another agent looking to grow their business. Until next time, keep your coffee strong. Appreciate y'all.